Evidence the first week of August.
Similar pair miller.
6th.
Similar prayer, Lordship. May it please your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 30, Lordship, with the consent of the other side, Lordship.
Item 30.
Yes, Lordship.
I'm appearing for the petitioner, Your Lordship.
What do you want?
Lordship, adjournment, Lordship.
Item 30.
Yes, Lord.
The request made by Mr. N. Purita. Yeah, okay.
Your Lord-
3 weeks.
Your Lordship, a date may be fixed as per your.
It's a fixed matter. We'll list it after 3 weeks. You mentioned it.
Much obliged.
May I please your Lordship, with respect to item number 70 of the supplementary list, we have filed our affidavit in reply against the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent. If the affidavit in reply is not in the record, may I pray for listing of this matter in the hearing column in the month of August?
Let it come. You be there.
A date may be given.
You wait for the matter to be called up.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention listing the representation for admission columnizer.
Admission.
Admission, my lord. On next Wednesday,
When is the last date?
it was last listed on 21st of February, my lord.
21st February.
Yeah.
Right. 6th of August.
May I please, Lordship. I beg to mention item 52, my Lord.
52.
Yes, my Lord. 5-2 in admission column. Affidavit is filed by the respondent, my Lord. I will have to file affidavit in reply, my Lord. So sometime.
51 and 52 are connected.
Yes, my Lord. My item is 52.
But 51 is also connected. If we adjourn your matter, 51 also goes. Who's for 51? What is your name?
M.H. Chaudhary.
M.H. Chaudhary. Who's for the health department? Anyone for health? Mr. M.H. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel, appearing item 50. That I joined it, the affidavit filed. Yep. Item 51 being connected with item 50. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 48. Lordship, my senior Mr. S.K. is out of station today. Lordship, kindly may fix the matter on 29/7.
Nine. Agent. If we fix it for admission hearing, Your Lordship, so no affidavit has been forthcoming in the additional affidavit that we have.
Well, it said reply file. Comes under the heading reply file.
Lordship, they have not filed so far, Your Lord. We have filed an additional affidavit, and this is the third occasion, but they have not filed. But
They have not
otherwise, the
filed.
pleadings are complete.
A reply we have not filed yet.
Right, item 48 on the request made on behalf of Mr. S.K.
13th August, Your Lordship. Okay. Can it be in the admission hearing column?
There is no admission hearing, it comes for admission.
Admission, Your Lordship.
Obliged.
All right.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, with the consent of the respondent, I beg to mention item number 46.
Yes,
Mr. A. Bhattacharya, the conducting counsel, is out of station, Lordship.
item
Wait.
46. on
46, Lordship.
Yeah.
Please, Your Lordship, with the consent of the petitioner's counsel, I beg to mention item number 34, Lordship.
54.
We want to file affidavit in opposition, Lordship. We have received the instructions.
I'm for the petitioner, Lordship, in item number 34.
Any
And-
objection?
Finally fix a date, Lordship.
Item 34.
After 2 weeks.
Request made on behalf of the but may beg them to file the objection. Yes. Date is for 20 August.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, with respect to item number 50, Your Lordship, I pray for an upgradation under the, as the first item under the admission column, reply file, Your Lordship. There is an urgency, Your Lordship, in this matter. Your Lordship, the petitioner is retiring on 31st of July. Your Lordship has heard the matter, Your Lordship.
Retiring on
31st of July, Your Lordship. I have sought the consent from the state respondents, Your Lordship.
we'll see. We can't update matters on a material. We'll take care of your matter.
Yes, Your
Need
Lordship.
not be up. Need not be.
Yes. Much obliged, Your Lordship.
May I please, Lordship. Lordship, I am praying for listing a matter in the admission column, Lordship. Last it was listed on 16/5/25, Lord.
It's on 8th.
Eight.
8th of August.
Lord.
May it please your lordship, I'd like to mention writ petition from 2024, your lordship.
What?
Writ petition from 2024, your lordship. The matter came up only once a year. So
You were asking for what?
I would like to list the matter.
Do you have a mention memo with you?
Yes, sir.
Where is that? Not with you. You go and get your mention memo. Yes.
May it please your lordship, I beg for mention for listing lordship WPC 752. Its last listing on February lordship. Matter relates
February.
to pensionary benefits lordship.
So 20 August. 20.
Lordship,
20. 20 August.
May it please your lordship. I beg to mention for listing of this writ petition. In the month of first,
What is the something?
it's regarding challenging of this my ACR report that has been wrongfully downgraded. Challenging that we have
20
20
August.
Obliged. Better. I beg to mention, my lord, item 49 with the consent of the other side, my lord. In this case, I am for the petitioner. It may come after 2 weeks. Is ready for disposal. Otherwise, my lord, I'm senior advocate.
Be Purkaster. Praise for 2 weeks time. Prayer is not objected to.
May I please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 64. We have filed our advance slip today.
64.
Yes, your lordship.
You have filed your.
We have filed our advance slip today for filing our written
You have filed your
advance slip.
The advance petition.
Advance slip.
adjournment. 64.
Yes. And we will list it after 2 weeks.
The judge with the adjournment slip. It's still after 3 weeks. 3 weeks.
May please, your lordship. With respect to item number 53, your lordship, due consent from the other side, your lordship. I filed my rejoinder to the counter that they filed, your lordship. The matter may kindly be fixed for hearing after a week. The date will be kindly fixed, your lordship.
53.
53.
53. Submit. Reading the copy.
Lordship, reply till yesterday, Lordship, I have not received the reply, Lordship.
I filed it, your lordship.
They are saying, yet filed it yesterday,
How
Lordship.
can you file it your service?
No, I have filed it, your lordship.
This may be, but till evening, I have not received the
You
copy,
have
Lordship.
served copies.
Yes, your lordship.
It's it. Hearing in the month of September.
Yes, your lordship. The date may kindly be fixed, your lordship.
No date. Come on. For hearing.
Deeply obliged.
Deeply obliged, Lord.
may it please your lordship, lordship, I beg to mention a writ petition for listing lordship. Lordship, it pertains to termination of the service of the employee without issuing any show cause.
20. Do you have a mention memo?
Yes.
20 of.
I beg to mention item number 44, madam. Give me one question.
44.
44. On behalf of Constitution. And
44. Then adjourn on behalf of prayer made on behalf of 2 weeks. Yes, 2 weeks.
Your lordship, writ petition for listing, your lordship.
20 August 20.
Is number 30. My lord,
Where is the order?
is 36 over.
Okay.
36 month.
Where is the direction?
Paragraph 16, my lord.
Where is the direction? Where is the contempt?
Under such circumstances, the court is of the view that if other workers, employees working in the in other or similarly situated departments are extended when the benefit of pension, then the cases of writ petitioners may also be considered for grant of such benefits by the government. And the next page is the proposal in respect of others and the
So where is the contempt? Where have you stated that this order has not been complied with?
they have not, my lord, processed our
No specific time limit that it can be done.
1 year is, my lord,
Not there in the order. Not there in the order. When did you file your app?
after obtaining the application, my lord, it was sent on, my lord, 12/8/2024.
Third council? Yep. It's-
Obliged.
Yeah.
Please, your lordship.
Where is the order?
My lord, case 14 written, my lord. 2 months time was given to dispose of my representative.
Lordship, although it's a contempt, Lordship, I was the counsel in the writ petition. So I have instruction that already, although not exactly in 2 months' time, but there is a speaking order they have passed on 30th June that they are complying with the order.
The order is passed.
My lord, then it may be disposed of, my lord, by
Huh?
maybe disposed of, my lord.
Directed everything. Was filed everything. We did. Order dated 9/8/2024 passed in the 5/8. Where with the following direction. Well. With this direct right. Right. We appeared that was called court that submitted before the court. The order dated 30 June 2025. That submitted before the court. Taking order dated 30 June 2025 by some rifles, office of the directorate general, within this within Peru state order as well as direct in 1925 the director of the state in the order department it was disposed of was the the petition was disposed of the director with the liberty of the petitioner file the representation to the or it may take the date of the order thereafter. Representation be favorably considered and disposed of by the state speaking order. Representation with the following effect. In that view,
Speaking of the review DPC, the tutorial officer. Speaking about like
right, proceed in the contempt. Stand close, close.
Okay.
I thought I said the last order instruction was out for in this matter with the pension matter, my lord.
Where's the CGC? Mr. S.P. Chaudhary.
It is missing it.
Today is the second that I think someone had earlier appeared.
SP had appeared. We'll have it on Friday. Is it probably? Since the other CGC is not present before the court. CGC Mr. S.P. Chaudhary. In view of the earlier order dated 25/6/2025. Friday. Copy of this order. Please mark.
Okay.
Detail. This matter, my lord, there have been certain factual developments which I would like to place it on record, my lord. Can it be next Tuesday? I'll file my affidavit, additional affidavit, bringing those facts by Monday. So it is on record.
The council.
Right. This matter also, my lord, instruction was out for the last order, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Big. Is there? Copy of the order be marked. Yes, yes, it's on Friday.
Entry may be,
Friday.
entry may be continued.
Entry order, if any, it will be.
Right. Much obliged. May please, your lordship. This is in respect of an order of transfer, my lord. The petitioner with your lordship, she is a vice principal of GNM Training School, Durham. My lord, on a particular day, 25th of June, 3 orders have been passed. First order, your lordship will find at page 21. These are, my lord, promotion from posting order. Page 21 is an order, common order for many, my lord, employees. Pursuant to the government approval by letter number such and such dated 21/6/2025, and as per recommendation of the promotion committee, and subject to reversal without notice and without assigning any reason thereof, and until further, the following incumbents presently holding the post of assistant matron, assistant nursing superintendent, deputy nursing superintendent, assistant deputy nursing superintendent, head nurse, etc., vice principal, are hereby temporarily promoted to the higher post of principal, tutor, matron, etc. Now, my lord, the name of the petitioner appears at page 22, serial number 24. By this order, petitioner, she has been, my lord, promoted but retained at the same place, Durham. Because, my lord, what happened? She had seen 3-4 transfers in the last 3-4 years, my lord, and she made a representation that I should be retained here in Mongolway. And the private respondent, her name appears at serial number 25. She has been transferred from Borpata to Nolbari. So this was with the, my lord, approval of the and recommendation of the promotion committee. Then, my lord, on the same day itself, there was another order at page 26, by which the earlier order has been cancelled.
Yeah.
Promotion order to the post of such and such by the earlier order is hereby cancelled, and thereafter on the same date, my lord, another transfer and promotion order has been issued, that is at page 27. Now, in this, my lord, modified transfer order, in respect of a few, my lord, of the employees, my lord, there has been some change. Your Lordship may kindly come to page 28, serial number 24. The petitioner has now been sought to be posted at Dibrugarh, while the private respondent has been sought to be placed from Borpata in her place at Darangmal. Now, this order, I am assailing on the ground that, my lord, there may be some reason, my lord. What is the reason? Because, my lord, it was on the basis of the recommendation of the promotion committee and approval of the government. Then, my lord, if your lordship permits me, what happened in respect to the same, my lord, order of transfer, there was another repetition. I'd like to place the order before that, my lord, because I urged in that case, my lord, similar, that let the records come and from the record your worship will see whether any public interest in modification or not, my lord. Now, this honorable court was pleased, my lord, in that case to pass an order directing to produce records that your worship will find, my lord. Until then, its status quo was directed to be maintained. Now, my lord, what happened thereafter? Before the, my lord, the next day came, her transfer order was modified, and my lord, she has been retained in the, my lord, same place. And accordingly, the writ petition has been withdrawn. That, although, my lord, your worship will find. So, my lord, humble prayer before worship is that, my lord, there may be some reason why, my lord, that case has been allowed. That fortifies my, my lord, submission before worship. That, my lord, the public interest not it's not the, my lord, the reason for which this order has been issued. I, my lord, pray for a similar order to directing them to produce the records, and thereafter, if your worship finds that it is in the public interest, my lord, your worship will not interfere. Because, my lord, this order, the earlier order, my lord, fortifies my claim that, my lord, there is something which, my lord, prevents them from producing the records before your worship. My lord, they are shy of producing the record. Let it come, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship, page 28, 25, Krishna Hendik is a different post. It's a matron. Matron is a clinical post, and petitioner is a principal tutor. It's principal. He is promoted to vice principal to principal. So his allegation is that similarly situated is not. Matron is a different post. So two posts are different, Lordship. I'll take instruction. Lordship may give some time, short time may be given. I'll place the proper instruction. Why is she has been transferred?
Three.
One, two.
Three. Qualified. Four. Sorry. Okay.
Vice
Principal tutor.
principal at the GNM training school, Durham.
Where
Now she is principal in Dibrugarh.
No, that my
On promotion, she has been transferred. Our matron is a different, is a clinical post.
first order is
serving as vice principal at GNM training. Sorrow. He is responsible for the order as per the recommendation of the temporarily promoting the various nursing personnel holding serving as assistant matron / nursing superintendent / deputy nursing profession. And the petitioner was one of the nursing persons named here the claim order. He was moved to be transferred from, he was promoted from the post of vice well to a ENM nursing school and stayed as principal in the private response 5. On the other hand, was serving an coordinator and she was with the post of matron and posted at NMCH. What is NMCH?
Norbury Medical College and Hospital.
Yes.
The council, the city council, the public that however stood decide to cancel the order dated 25 to 20. It was cancelled on the same day.
Same date, my lord.
Same day, Lord.
Subsequently, they same day by order number 12 dated 25th of and another order by order number 12 dated
Same date.
25th of 2020, whereby the petitioner should be promoted. So is it principal tutor or principal?
Principal tutor.
Principal tutor.
Principal at ENFGS, whereas the private respondent number 5 was transferred matron. It's submitted by the learned thinking that the provision of effective pursuant the recommendation and therefore there must be some public, there must be sufficient public, there must be sufficient public, there must be reason for public in order to fulfill the earlier goal. Right. You Chaudhary also refers to the order passed in similarly made in a writ petition passed filed by a similarly situated the W number 679 submitted that the first day and the reports were directed to the police and stated the subsequent day the state impugned order, the impugned order, the order impugned therein stood cancelled. The writ the learned that petitioner is alleged setting out the something that the petitioner and respondent of 5 or petitioner was the vice principal and transferred to Vancouver as principal, whereas the respondent 5 was promoted along as a matron and their services are rendered in the hospital.
Yes, Lordship, it's a clinical post.
Really, like that. Therefore, both the posts cannot be paid. Both the petitioner and respondent cannot be paid. Rendering similar that period as a like 2 weeks
Lordship.
completely. This state report like yep. The calculation, the order of the pressure that is again. 13th of August
Lordship.
till the next week, the order at order number, where is the order?
Page 27.
Order at page number 22, dated page 27, so far as the writ petition, the vis-a-vis the private respondent is concerned, shall remain state.
Highly obliged.
Lordship,
Sufficient extra copies be furnished in the
Lordship,
course of the day.
I'll furnish today.
till 13, Lordship.
Yes,
Highly obliged. Petitioner is belongs to street caste community and working as a junior resident in the establishment of Deputy Commissioner in Albury. Lordship, the promotion has been given, holding the roster point. And Lordship, the cadre rank of senior division is, the senior district administrative assistant is 41. And the quota reserved for SC is 3. And they have filled up by the general committee.
no, you are a junior assistant.
Junior assistant.
You are agreed by promotion to which post?
Senior division district administrative assistant.
Senior,
District administrative assistant. Lordship
this
will find
is the next higher post.
next higher post. And page 27 is the gradation list of amalgamated establishment of deputy commissioner. Lordship will find from 1 to 41. Lordship will find 1 to 41 are the Lordship, the senior divisional district administration. SDAA. Lordship got it?
Yes.
Out of these, Lordship, the 6% is retired. Bhubaneswar Sharma retired, and the Ramoni Malaka retired, and the Gajan Sharma retired, and Ashok Das and Vipul Kolita promoted. Thereafter, 6 vacant posts arise. And ultimately, Lordship, the 6% has been promoted from the general committee. I have annexed the list, page 34. They have been promoted from the senior to list. I think the roster point.
They are general category.
They are general category. Only one is belong to 6. Lordship, the Prakash Sutrodhar. Lordship got it. Prakash Sutrodhar, last point. He belong to SC. His name reflected at serial number. Lordship will find
Serial number 3 is
page 29, page 49,
serial 3, page 34.
page 34. Page 34. Page 34 is the order of promotion. Here the serial number 6, Prakash Sutrodhar is the SC community.
Serial 3.
Lordship, against Minister.
No, serial number 3. You are challenging our promotion.
Serial number 3.
Why?
Because Lordship is become to general category.
She belongs to general.
General.
And these posts are meant for what?
SC. For roster point, he is for SC.
But are you are an SC category?
I'm SC category. Lordship will find that my name at page.
But we should not
Page
set
12.
state.
Lordship. Only thing is, Lordship, the respondent should not be regularized in the promotional post.
But that, uh, 4. 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Sir, for number 3.
For the 3, my lord.
1, 3 or only 3?
Only 3, my lord.
Where is 1 and 2?
General administrative.
The rape 1 appears for order part.
They have their own standing.
Fukan's name.
I'll start purchasing.
We have recorded. The petitioner is aggrieved by the detected ID order dated 9/6/2025, whereby 6 persons reported the post of
Senior district administrative.
senior district administrative. Petitioner is presently serving as senior district administrative assistant. The next higher promotion is senior district. Petitioner belongs to the HC category. The submit that the promotion by the impugned order was made violating the prohibition points and thereby depriving the right to claim for being considered. The person submit that the person named the serial number 3 is private respondent number
Private respondent number
6.
6.
The person belonging to the general category has been promoted by the impugned order. The roster point is the board schedule class. Right? Shall we take the order for particular respond? At this stage, it is issued 4 weeks.
Lordship, the standing council GAD's name may be reflected in the cause list, Lordship.
It is the way that the step for the 6 and it will be reports be taken within 3 working days. You are only claiming one post.
Only one.
For the post in which respondent 6 is the petitioner questions the promotion of a sales 3 who claim promoted quota the for schedule card so the benefit to the respondent 6 belong to the category. Let the since the promotions are shown to be temporary, then there will be regularization the promoted post of respondent number 6 without the
Obliged.
list. Okay. Yes.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, an order of suspension is under challenge, my lord. My lordship may be pleased to find the order. Is it page 18A, my lord?
We issue notice that this
My lord, in fact, my lord, the validity of the suspension was a period of 90 days. The suspension order itself
to have to get an
instruction, my lord, if in the motion column, my lord.
let notice be issued because
My lord.
we are questioning the suspension itself.
My lord.
But they are
P. Upadhyay, Your Lordship.
okay, we have for
2 to 6, Your Lordship.
2 to 6. Who appears for 1?
I am appearing for 1 man. On behalf of A.
The all the response. Get the response. Tendency of the writ will be a part. Revoke the order. It's
Obliged. Hello.
Yeah. Lordship, may kindly pass over the matter for time. Pass.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, the grievance of the petitioner is that he has been denied the death term retirement gratuity, my lord. He retired from service of the Assam Agricultural University on 31st of January 2023.
notice that it's heard.
Well, I also asked for a rectified copy. The synopsis is different, the body is different.
I will provide.
Did you have Gelu? Gelu kung nakailan to?
All the respondents?
Yes, my lord. Assam Agriculture University. My lord, no, no, perhaps, my lord, X2 to 2, 3, 2 to 6, my lord. One is by the state.
6, 7, 10, 38.
Agriculture.
Instruction. It is.
Obligation.
This is the cover case, my lord. The petitioner here before you, lord, is only for the payment of the minimum pay scale as per the offenders. The petitioner are appointed by the BTC authority during the period of 2006 and 7. The department has examined.
Why you examine their case?
Oh, they have, my lord. Can this
Only after examination, my lord.
Have they passed any order?
Yes, my lord.
Where?
Can you see the page number 171? This is the justification report. They have admitted that the petitioner is still engaged in the department. Page 171, plus 2 paragraph, my lord.
Who is supposed to give you the minimum scale?
The BTC authority, my lord. Because the forest department is the transfer subject, my lord.
BTC authority.
Yes, my lord.
All right, BTC, get your
Lord.
The similar order is there.
your instructions here.
Lord.
Yeah, similar.
Similar order is there, my lord. There, my lord. Page 201, my lord. That Justice, Normal Justice, Nelson Solo has passed this order. Similar place. Page 201, it starts from page.
Yes, Mr. Bora.
Lordship, that only subject to verification, my lord. Paragraph number 5, in page number 202, paragraph number 5, necessary verification is required. My lord. Only after verification, Lordship, pass the order. Only after verification, they will be, authority will decide, my lord.
Already there.
Only there.
Yes, my lord.
We can dispose it of.
Lordship.
Right, heard something.
I have appear for respondent.
Mr. S. Bora for BTC, Mr. D. Gogoi for Forest, voluntary for filing. Okay.
Lordship, dispose it to.
Dispose.
Bibliography.
Repeat.
My lord, I am for the aviator, my lord.
Unappear.
Yes.
You call it up again.
Item 13 also, my lord.
It will be any other day, my lord.
Friday.
Lord.
Friday.
Please, your lordship. The High Court by judgment, my lord, they are given the notional promotion, my lord, without back wage. But what they have done, my lord, at page 37, instead of, my lord, back wage, they are word written on without financial assistance. So financial benefit, my lord, page 37.
Not be entitled.
Yes, my lord. Once the notional promotion is given, my lord, they will get the, my lord, revision of pay, my lord. But the back wage will not get, but they will get the.
What do you want now?
My lord, that order, my lord, is not. My lord, the financial benefit, the word, my lord, it is not according to the High Court judgment, my lord.
Where is the High Court
Its contempt is also already pending, my lord.
That?
That word is that is the new cause of action.
Where is the High Court judgment?
High Court judgment is, my lord, at relevant page at, my lord, page 25, my lord. Page 25, para 13, relevant direction, my lord. In the aforesaid discussion, the court is of the considered opinion the interest of justice should be served, and the page 25, relevant portion.
Please read.
Yes, my lord. In view of the aforesaid discussion, the court is of the considered opinion that interest of justice should be served and the equity should be balanced if the direction is issued to give notional benefit to the petitioner at least from the date of expiry of 6 months from the judgment dated 15/5/17, passed in WPC number 217 and 15. As it was the time prescribed for the consideration of giving such promotion, this court is fortified by this fact that the eligibility of petitioners is not in doubt, as the department had itself granted them promotion on 10/1/2020 to the post office assistant. It is made clear that the benefit to be granted to the petitioner would be only notional, and they would not be entitled any backways. Further, under the peculiar facts and circumstances, the present order would be confined only to the petitioners, as earlier direction passed in the court on 15/5/17 in WBC was only pertaining to them. Accordingly, the present order would not be a precedent for any other purpose. Petition disposal. That order is, my lord, the notional promotion is given, my lord. Acha. But without backways. But the order says, my lord, instead of word backways, page 37. In pursuance of honorable.
What financial benefits are you entitled?
The financial benefit backways, if my lord, they will not get the backways, that the period, the retrospective effect, they will not backways. But my lord,
You want to submit that certain benefits like for increment.
the increments, my lord, that notional promotion is given, my lord, they will get the increment, but that period backways will not given, but they a greater scale will entitle.
So you want to say that High Court did not curtail financial benefits?
Yes, did not. Because national promotion itself means that they will get the final division scale.
Yes.
Increment.
What do you say? Who is appearing for respondent? Panchayat and Rural Development.
I am appearing, Your Lordship. At this stage, your notice may go, Your Lordship. Let them respond.
Because ultimately, my lord, because one is at the verge of retirement. After retirement, there will be chaotic condition, my lord, because unless
when are they retiring?
My lord, it's 26, 20.
More, it should be appears for respondent.
1, 2,
1, 2, 3,
2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, Your Lord.
All.
For 4. MS Berto for respondent number 5. The council appear is a waiver. However, the copies be furnished. But the respondents find their complete their instructions by the tendency of the petition shall not be barred to release the financial benefit, otherwise entitled.
Apply, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lord petitioner, what has happened in this matter is that the petitioner had challenged the appointment of the respondent number 6 as the officiating director of the Tezpur Mental Hospital. Then, while that petition was pending, they instituted a show cause notice against us, saying that I had communicated directly with the higher authorities. That was stayed by this honorable court. During the pendency of the proceeding, in furtherance of their agenda, they issued a second notice seeking to retire the petitioner under FR 56J. That was also interfered with by this honorable court. Then they issue a third notice, Your Lordship, saying that the same allegation that you are communicating directly with higher authorities and some stale allegations that I had misbehaved with some subordinate officers 2-3 years back, something like that. Then when that communication was challenged, the counsel appearing for the institute informed the honorable court that that was merely an administrative communication. So therefore, that writ petition was withdrawn with liberty to respond to it. Now, Your Lordship, what has happened is that an advertisement has been issued by the institute for appointment of the director, selection of the director of the institute on deputation. The petitioner being eligible, he has submitted an application saying that please issue the necessary documents to me, NOC, etc., so that I can apply. While their application is pending, another show cause notice has been issued, Your Lordship, saying that I have communicated directly with higher authorities. That has already been stayed by this court, and that I had used harsh language with some subordinate officers 2 years back. The entire agenda, your lordship, is to ensure that the petitioner, your lordship, cannot apply for that post. The last date is 31/7. And in the meantime, your lordship, they have not even issued these documents.
That's recovered. The proceedings are indicated.
The show cause has been issued. The show cause.
They follow the recovered procedure.
And in the meantime, let them, very well, in the meantime, let them issue the documents to me so that I can submit my application, your lordship.
We issue the document. Why?
Yes, your lordship.
With regard to there is no provision of internal deputation. Internal
So
deputation.
he's asking for NOC, vigilance clearance, and all experience certificate.
Yes.
That you
And the DP is pending, my lord. If in a, because earlier, my lord, here's token notice was issued.
No, no, you proceed with the
But office memorandum is there, my lord.
Where is that office memorandum? Where is the office memorandum?
Office memorandum is there, my lord. The office memorandum, my lord.
Yeah, copy is advertisement does not lay such any bar.
Well, at 1st November 1999, office memorandum. Representation from government servant on service matters. To my lord. It is it says in these instructions that whenever in any matter connected with his service, fresh a claim or to seek redress of a grievance, the proper course of him is to address his immediate official superior or the head of his office or such other authority at the latest level at such and such. My lord, let it is observed that there has been a tendency of the part of the officers.
This is for procedure.
My lord, four is important, my lord.
Instruction.
Four is important, my lord.
No. These are irrelevant.
No, my lord, it is that as such submission of representation
No,
directly to.
has heard Mr. A.P. Pathak, controller, representing all. Are you representing all the official respondents?
Yes, yes, my lord.
As well
Except
as
one, my lord.
Huh?
Except respond number one.
Who is appearing for one?
K. Government.
For respondent number one. So, respondent 2 to 6. Mr. Doctor with the study of here. This is the way the extra copy furnished a period of 3 working days from today. Steps of respondent fixed that I registered for daily as well as general courts within 3 working days. Thus, these also provided included generally the agreed that while he is eligible to apply for the post of director, LPPRIMH, which, where is the advertisement?
Page number 85.
Advertisement number 22 dated 29th of May 2025. Page right. He fills all the educational and eligibility criteria. However, in order to apply for certain documents are required to be submitted. Indicate vigilance clearance, the attested copy of the APAR as the experience certificate. So these, however, these documents have not been furnished. The respondent institute where the petitioner is presently serving as
Professor and head of the Department of Psychiatry.
Professor and HOD. is submitted that the documents are not furnished to him on the pretext of pending department initiated in by issuance of a so-called stated
36/2025, page number 19.
My lord,
was dated in the learned company. He- while the said department proceeding is also challenged under the proceeding. However, where the pendency of the proceeding do not create a bar, it the issuance of the document and sought for action, enabling it to apply for the post. What is the stage of the inquiry?
They have not supplied the documents with me. I have given them a letter saying that.
So the focus of the petition by the mitigation by the petition seeking liberty to examine the document. The communication like state. And what is the last date?
31/7/2025.
The last date for submission candidated to director RIMH is 31/7. What Mr. Abdo appearing for the report something that if there is a department proceeding pending, the authorities are not in a position
my lord,
to be relevant. He, however, has not been able to place any of his memoranda of application for any route stating that there is an embargo on the authorities to furnish those documents sought for during the pendency of any department proceeding. More particular, when the petitioner has not yet been granted to submit his reply after perusal of necessary documents. Where having heard counsel for the party, the consideration of the submission and the pleading submitted. Then notice issued, it has a 4 weeks, it will be responded with the council representative.
thirty-six, my lord. This is the memorandum asking to submit.
Yeah, but meanwhile, the respondent authority, who is to supply?
There is a deputy director to whom I have given the application. The application, your lordship will find at page number
The
95.
authority in charge. Is there a director now? No.
There is a officiating director, your lordship.
The authority officiating as the director of the LPPRIMH and other research of the institute will ensure that all relevant papers offered by the furnished, enabling him to apply for the education. In the event the departmental proceeding continues during the election process, and the respondent will adopt seal covered procedure. Respect of the let these documents be furnished within how much time? 1 week?
Lordship,
My lord,
physical copies of the documents have to reach Delhi by 31/7/2025.
my lord,
Within 3 working days.
Very
Positive.
My lord, here, my lord, there is a challenge for recall the memorandum 36, 2025. It is not a, just I want seeking his reply within on the allegation made therein.
You continue with the departmental proceeding. We are not stopping it. But you led up to the seal tower proceeding.
But only other than, my lord, there is no provision for internal deputation, my lord. There is
What internal deputation?
I don't know, the advertising is silent on it.
What internal deputation?
my lord, the same institute, within the same institute.
There is no bar here. If there is a bar, the bar has to be.
Bar in the advertisement.
My lord, there must be a lending agency and a borrowing agency. Two department, two entities.
Where we are referring to the advertisement. Where is that provision in the advertisement?
My lord, I have also constitution here of the constitution and bylaw of the institute, my lord.
We are not going into all that. You produce it whatever you want to produce for the next year.
They will supply within 3 days, your lord. They'll supply within 3 days.
Yes, within 3 days.
Deeply obliged.
This after the time. Yes.
May it please your lordship. The petitioners herein are all staff nurse, graduate staff nurse. Now, in pursuance to a recommendation by the Departmental Promotion Committee, that was 16/12/2024, there was a specific directions. If I may take your lordships to the DPC, your lordship, minutes of the DPC. First, I'll take your lordship to page 186.
So what is your prayer?
Your lordship, I am praying for promotion to the cadre of sister tutor.
You are serving as what?
I'm serving as a graduate staff nurse, your lordship. In the nursing personnel service, the entry cadre is the staff nurse. Now, there are two categories of staff nurse. One is graduate, who are BSc in nursing or post-basic BSc in nursing. And the other is JNM nurses, that is diploma, your lordship. Now, the next promotion is to the cadre of ward in charge, that is on the clinical side, and sister tutor on the academic side. Now, ward, only those, as per the INC, that is Indian Nursing Council Act, only those nurses who are graduates or post-basic are eligible to be considered and promoted to the cadre of sister tutor. So when the DPC was constituted, the finding of the DPC was categorical. If your lordships kindly come to the DPC at page 187A. Has your lordship got it?
Yes, 187A.
Yes, your lordship. Number 2, the seniority of the post of staff nurse, which was published on 2011-2024 in DHS official website, was finalized and approved by the Departmental Promotion Committee. Number 3, the Departmental Promotion Committee unanimously suggested to DHS Assam to fill up the vacant post of ward sister, ward in charge, nursing tutor, nursing
This was
sister.
in 24 December.
Yes, your lordship.
Then what happened after that?
Your lordship, thereafter, then now there was a recommendation, your lordship.
So why are you challenging it after all those?
I'm not challenging it. What I'm trying to say is that you please promote me as per the recommendation of the DPC.
DPC.
Yes, that's my prayer, your lordship.
No person has yet been promoted.
No person has yet been promoted to the cadre of sister tutor.
In terms of the DPC recommendation.
They have been promoted. The ward in charge has been promoted, your lordship.
Only sister tutor is
left, your lordship. So there are some vacant posts. So my only prayer is that at this moment, the post should not be filled up by anybody, your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, may issue no, still I have to obtain instructions, Lordship, in this regard.
Before the court, taking order that in terms of the departmental committee for promotion, the various posts of unseen person, it was held on 16th of December 2024. The petitioner, all the petitioners were recommended.
No, the recommendation was like this, your lordship will see kindly at 4. The Departmental Promotion Committee decided to award promotion in 2 ways for the post of ward sister, ward in charge, nursing sister, OT sister, PHN, that is clinical side, and academic side from the seniority of the staff list published on 2011-2024. In the clinical side, for the post of ward sister, ward in charge, nursing sister, OT sister may be filled up from the post of staff nurse having GNM diploma, and the academic side for the post of sister tutor PHN may be filled up from the staff nurse having BSc. Your lordship, there will be somewhere around 83 posts. So 1:4 will be 400. So if the direction was to promote only all those persons having BSc. So these 97 petitioners are having BSc in graduate nurses, your lordship.
It is submitted that in terms of the DPC minutes, the recommendation was inter area for filling up posts of sister tutor slash PHN. What is PHN?
Public health nurse.
Public health nurse. Which posts are on the academic side and may be filled up from the posts of staff nurse, with the bracket having BSc nursing slash post basic BSc nursing.
Yes, sir.
Bracket goes respectively in the order of seniority. It is the submission of that both the petitioners are presently serving as
Staff nurse,
staff.
graduate staff nurse.
They have they are qualified having BSc nursing. Therefore, in terms of implementation, there are about 83 posts.
Yes, your lordship, not 83, 81 posts. 2 have been promoted.
The petitioner should be selected for promotion in terms of the DPC minutes taken so
16/12/2024, your lordship.
which minutes have not been given effect to insofar as the promotion of the post of sister tutor are concerned, while the DPC minutes have been given effect in respect of filling up of posts on the clinical side for the posts of ward sister, etc.
And those promotions have been given on 31/12/2024. That is at Annexure 6, page 190.
It is submitted by the learned that staff critical side in terms of the minute of the DPC was given effect was given on
31/12/2024, Annexure 6.
The Bora, the other submits that by instruction. According to that, 4 weeks. Represents all the response.
All the respondents. Lordship.
The way they
Lordship, at this stage, no interim may be granted, Lordship.
we are not
Let me have.
we are making an observation that in terms of the DPC minutes recommending promotion, it was for sister tutor,
shall not be filled up by any other person other than this. Why I'm saying so, your lordship?
Why don't you draft the order, give it to me, I'll sign it, it becomes easy.
I'm just making a prayer, your lordship.
We are
I'm
dictating
sorry,
the
your
order.
lordship.
Listen to the order, but the effect that the post of staff nurse stated to be taken will not be filled up. Contrary to the DPC recommendation in the next decade.
Your lordship will mark it as a DPC recommendation dated 16/12/2024, your lordship. Deeply above. And your lordship may add one thing, that it should not be filled up in violation of the INC norms, your lordship, because that's an act. We follow by that, your lordship.
He said DPC recommendation. You are
I'm deeply obliged, your lordship.
But the challenge to a deemed suspension order at page 32, which have been continued without any review, Lordship. Page 32. I had been arrested in a ACB case.
We should notice that.
Yes.
But, all things. Therefore, this is the way. It after. It. The complete their file necessary affidavit.
No, Lordship is issuing notice.
Tendency shall not be a bar to revoke.
Lordship.
Deeply.
Obliged.
Petitioner is agreed by non-release of his pension and pensionary benefits. And he retired as a deputy director under the agriculture department on 31/3/2025, Lordship. But the urgency is that, Lordship, he underwent kidney transplantation in 2013 and in 2020.
Can you get instructed, Mr. Chaudhary? What is the state?
Lordship, I am praying that at least provisional pension be released.
Sir, MP. All responded. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, 1, 2, 3 only, Lordship.
1, 3, accountant general.
For
So, important 4. Who's for Biden? Mr.
Barbuzari, Lordship.
Additionally, agreed that after the superannuation of 31/3/2025 pension of leave and he is suffering from acute health concerns and therefore is undergoing financial crisis since the pensionary benefit.
Page 29, Lordship, is the last communication.
Right of representation. Right of representation. Have you received any, have you filed any representation?
Yes, I filed.
Right of representation.
Lordship, at page 22 also.
Benefits have been paid. It's the Sharma reference. Communication dated 11/6/2025 issued by the Office of the Accountant General, which showed that the pension proposal has not been received by the Accountant General, nor has it been uploaded. Website. He therefore directed the release to submit the present pension proposal for expeditious consideration of the pension payable. The other is okay. Let the matter be said again.
Yes.
The copy be furnished to enable the pendency of the written will not be a bar. It is for consideration, it is of the provisional pension.
Lordship, I am relying upon this provision, Lordship, for the release of the provisional pension.
What is the provision?
It's an OM dated 4/6/1985. Point number 7. 211, page number 211.
Which rule?
It's an office memorandum dated 4th June 1985.
Before or after which rule?
Rule is, Lordship, 184.
Rule 184.
Yes.
OM dated?
OM dated 4th June 1985.
was issued by the Finance APF Department, Pension Branch.
Counsel for the petitioner is referred with number FMP 47/8/39, dated 4th of June 1985.
Point number 7, Lordship.
It's submitted that this circular, this office memorandum issued by the Finance Department for laying down the procedure for early release of the salary or of the pension.
Obliged, Lord.
Ma'am, please, Lord. My lord, this case relates to the compassionate appointment, my lord. After receiving my application, my lord, DLC has considered my case. Accordingly, I was being appointed, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, 1 month salary has been given to me. Thereafter, my lord, the authorities sent my lord to the higher authority seeking approval for the finance, my lord. Then the impine order has been passed, my lord, that your lordship will see. The impine order, my lord, that your lordship will see at operative part is page 39, my. It starts from 38. An operative part, lordship kindly can skip in page 39. May I read, my lord?
Yes.
In the case of the Keshang Inti, that is the writ petitioner, it is seen that the application was submitted on 23/5/13, which is 5 years later the further that of the, as per the provision of the principle of the OM number so and so, every eligible dependent has to be make application for the appointment on the compassionate ground in the prescribed form with all the enclosures within the 1 year from the date of the acceptance of the retirement of the employee. Now, lordship kindly turn to page 22. 22 and 27, man. Page 22, my lord. I have sent in the within the due course of time, my lord. Page 22, my lord. Operative part is the page 23, my lord. That is the within time, my lord. Thereafter, the authority themselves, my lord, referred the matter, page 27. They put, my lord, date 17 November 2009, so and so, register of the county forwarding the application of Kinsey's as a compassionate ground.
Will
I
you
have
notice at this date?
my lord, notice as well as my lord, my salary, my lord, arrear salary, my lord. Lordship kindly have a look on their own strength, my lord.
Order, where is the order of you have been terminated?
No, no, no. Still I'm working. Lordship will see for a moment, my lord. Page 30. They themselves asked, my lord, page 36. Lordship, for a moment, lordship, kindly stay. Only 1 month salary was given to me. Page 36, reply to the money salary of SAU query. Online query number in persons to the notification dated so and so. In respect of grade 3 post, the principal secretary to the autonomous council check schedule empowered to give prior approval for filling up the grade 3 and post. In the extent case, this case of the compassionate ground in respect of Kizit Tamung LDA come Srimati Rima so and so. Establishment of the additional register cooperative society were approved by the district level committee of the compassionate ground. Appointment under the the principal secretary to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Since the Autonomous Council is a sheet schedule is empowered to appoint grade 3 and grade 4 for the post of referred to the state level committee for concerning person. Accordingly, my lord, 1 month salary was given to me, my lord. As on date, I am working, my lord. I made a categorical statement in my writ petition, my lord, that as on date I am working, but no salary has been paid, my lord. Whereof
Will issue notice.
notice as well as lordship interim salary.
Yes.
Page 38, my lord, may kindly have a look. Annexure 12, my lord.
Yeah.
It is SLC dated, my lord, 2/3/2023.
Lordship, may kindly note that date. Then the name of the applicant, my Lordship, the forcing Timung, the petitioner, and the other person also. And on verification, the committee observed that. I read, my Lord. Sri Khorsing Timung, son of Such, ex-senior inspector, editor of Cooperative Society, was appointed by the DRCS DFU on 25/1/2021 without obtaining approval from SLC. It was seen that DLC under the chairmanship of Principal Secretary, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council on 29/1/2014. He got his provisional salary from the month of February 21 to July 21, but the salary stopped due to want of approval finance SIU department. In the case of Sri Khorsing Timung, it is seen that the date of application was 23/5/13, which is after 5 years of father's death. But as per the provision of Principle 3 of the Government OM dated 1/6/2015, every eligible dependent seeking appointment under the OM shall make an application for appointment on compulsory ground in the prescribed form and with all enclosure. So his
Who appears for responding.
Lordship, I am for 2, my lord.
I am for 1 and 4.
There's 4.
1 and 4.
4. ML70 for 2.
Lordship 2.
R 30 plus D and
5 to 8.
5 to 8. The represent it. Issue notice on the repair. Regrettable. Return 3 weeks. Regrettable. 22nd.
18 July.
Yes, we are issuing notice on your interim threat.
My lord, there is another other lady also filed the case, my lord. It is fixed on 18 July, my lord. Or 18 or 19, my lord. Lordship can fix the matter along with
They require time to obtain instruction. You can prepone the matter.
My lord, Lordship
Let us
can.
say there is an order disposing your other matter on 18th of July. Then you can make a mention to prepone this matter.
My lord, Lordship can club the matter along with that matter.
What is the point? We are issuing notice today. Let them obtain
They
their
can
instruction.
Lordship, that will be.
Oblige, my lord.
After 10.5 years of their service as a TF employee, district malaria officer, when their case was recommended for regularization, at phase 50, your lordship will get it, 50. 50, your lordship will get it at page 51. The departmental promotion, last, my lord. The departmental promotion committee also appoint that as there are 19 posts of district malaria officer lying vacant and 9 numbers of district malaria officers are working under regulations so and so, and only 5 are working on regular basis. The department portion will therefore recommended that the vacant post may be filled up through regular appointment and the candidates working under the regulation may be regularized. So, and thereafter, my lord, and the petitioners have been, their services were extended after 8 months, 4 months, etc. I have given all the annexures here. Mostly, my lord, their services have been extended after 8 months. And when their services were, my lord, not extended after May 24, and when their salaries have not been paid, we came before this honorable court. This honorable court, my lord, directed in the interim, page 58. Judgment 50. Page 58, relevant is at page 59. In the interim, last sentence, in the interim, considering that the petitioners are continuing as district malaria officer, although there is no specific extension order of their services, it is provided that the respondent authorities may consider the extension of regularization of their services as well as payment of salary, taking into account the recommendation of the Departmental Promotion Committee as well as the letter of directors. So thereafter, my lord, they have passed an interim order that you are not entitled to be regularized.
Where is that?
That order is page 66, my lord.
This is
On
after
the-
the interim order.
My lord, on the basis of
It's after the interim order.
after the interim order, then you are not entitled to be regularized. After they are basically, my lord, relying on Uma Devi's case.
We should notice that this thing.
No, my lord. Consequently, my lord, the consequences order is that no, they are not allowed to work. What I'm praying, my lord, I'm just relying on one judgment, your lordship will condition. I'm praying for stay of this order because they have passed and the consequential order they have passed, my lord. Your lordship will kindly see this judgment. One judgment is at page 117. Your lordship will kindly
Hear the order.
Here.
Let me,
No. And
we'll go
another.
through your judgment. But you hear the order, what we want to pass.
Yes. Yes. Hello, what I pray, my lord, your lordship will kindly protect their services after 13.5 years, my lord. And their salary has to be paid, my lord. From May 25, they have not been paid.
Registered by legally people. The petitioner, Mr. Deepora. The other writ petition is pending.
Pending, man. During the pendency, they are not allowed to work now.
My lord, they are not allowed to work because, my lord, no interim order was passed, my lord. There was a decision by the government not to.
Right.
Yes, my lord.
Or I appears for all.
Yes, my lord, all the respondents, my lord.
To waive. The regime, right? The date is 7. Whereby the services as what malaria officer?
District malaria officer.
District malaria officer.
In January 2012.
Petitioners are were rendering services.
Since January 2012.
Since January 2012. It is submitted that the petitioners were not given their regular pay during their services, because of which here I what is the goal? The interim director with the release their salary. By permitting the respondent authority to consider the extent of right taking into consideration pursuant to the past review order being agreed. What do you say? You are still discharging?
Yes.
No, my lord. They are not
After
discharging.
After the
No, my lord.
that regularization order that was cancelled, my lord. Thereafter, they have not been allowed to work.
It's admitted that
My
There is
lord,
no
before that,
termination order.
after the cancellation, the regularization. Mr. Deepora on the other hand. Great. Since
Since 2024, last extension order, my lord.
the last 2020. The third term, the public April. Seven.
My lord, may I pray that, my lord, this matter may be taken up along with that writ petition 1834, because similar prayer, my lord, they are also their prayer was to continue in their service.
And reported bench ID and order dated.
That petition will become infructuous.
Already directed. The salary. Consideration. Is to their extent. In view of the orders passed by the let this order rejecting the what is this impugned order is for termination. What is this order?
My lord, that order is
That
not
order
here.
is at page, my lord.
Sorry,
Page 66, my lord.
No, no.
What is this order?
Declaration order has been rejected, page 66.
Regularization order dated 4/7/2025.
Rejecting the regulation prayer.
And is not be given effect. Will it hold for other consequential order that we have till the next.
My lord, just because they are not continuing, and in the last writ petition also, their prayer was to continue in the post, my lord. Same kind of prayer, my lord. Now they cannot be allowed to continue because prior.
Will examine, file your objection.
No, my lord, because if your lord's because this order may be okay, my lord, but subsequent order, my lord, by which they have been released, my lord, if that order is stated by your lordship, my lord, because prior to that, my lord, they were not allowed to continue in their service, and there was a decision by the government that, my lord, they are 3F appointees, my lord, that 3F appointees
from 2012.
Yes, my lord. 3F appointees, my lord, but there subsequently there was a decision that 3F appointees under the health department, they will not be.
The decision.
This one, my lord, it is in the other repetition. Here it has not been annexed, my lord. In terms of the decision, my lord, they approached by way of that repetition wherein, my lord, interim order was declined, my lord. So now, with the same prayer, now they are coming, my lord, to continue.
Do you have copies of that?
Yes, my lord, but they cannot be allowed to continue now, my lord.
We are not saying anything. We are just taking the order to the next thing.
My lord, this order may not be stayed, my lord. That subsequent regularization.
Pass the order. You are agreed. You can go and appeal.
Regarding their salaries, may I pay, my lord?
We are just saying it. That's all.
In the next date, your lordship will consider salary.
We are issuing notice of the order interview prayer.
That will be.
Further orders, if required, extended. We do not know whether we'll extend the interim order.
That's all right.
Everything will be examined on the next day. You
Next
please,
day.
whatever documents you have.
Let them file
by the next day. What documents, affidavits, whatever you want to file.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Obliged.
It is a lordship. My lord, this matter relates to compassionate appointment, my lord. And this is a covered case, my lord.
Covered? Not covered.
Not covered, my lord. Para 10.
My lord, by the subsequent order, my lord.
My lord,
Some subsequent order was given by this court.
This is, yeah, my lord.
By this court.
Yes, my lord. The last para, my lord. It has discussed para 10 of the earlier order, my lord. This is dated 4/6/2025.
Any appeal against the order?
No, my lord. That order, my lord.
This is the order, why do you feel it? No, no, no. The last check.
Well, it heard learned counsel for the party. Not ready to keep.
So discuss the para 10 of the earlier.
Which respondent? You appear for respondent one. Two.
My lord. I am appearing for my lord. 12478.
1247. Mr. Ray Soto for
3569.
3569. The counsel to the petitioner has delivered to an order dated 4/6/2025, passing the PPC 8/8/25. Submitted that the petition is the petitioner is presently similarly situated, therefore brings for a similar order and the been passed by. There are Mr. R. or on the other end. That matter is not covered. Let the
My lord, just now he has
Please.
gone through it, my lord.
yes, Mr. Dhor.
My lord.
Yes, what?
Yes, my lord. If you go by this
It's covered, my lord.
4625, the earlier order has been diluted.
We'll examine it again on the returnable date.
My lord. My lord.
We are giving this order.
The lordship may dispose of,
We're giving him an opportunity to
Because-
go through and understand
he has already gone through it, my lord.
what is your difficulty if the matter is
My lord,
pending.
this is compassionate appointment and SLC, this is only, DLC has already recommended against,
We are not dismissing your petition. We are keeping it on the next date. What is the difficulty that you can't wait until the next date?
date may be fixed, otherwise
we are
it
fixing
is,
a date.
yes.
20 August 20.
Yeah.
Mr. Dhor,
My lord. I will
we
examine.
want your
My lord.
petitions.
My lord.
This.
I will try to, my lord, distinguish, my lord.
Distinguish or what we don't. We are not inviting you to distinguish. We are asking you if there is anything to submit or be passed order.
Well.
66 is also same.
Yes.
65, 66, same order to be listed on 20.
Apply.
This case, your lordship may kindly peruse the last order, your lordship.
Some OMR or something.
Yes, my lord, I have received this, my lord.
You go through.
I claim that your lordship, going by the answer key, I should get
My God, here.
You examine it.
lords
We'll take it on some other day.
Friday, your lord.
Friday, Monday.
Month.
Let it be on Monday. In terms of the earlier order, Mr.
Appointment
that the respondent counted.
What's silo?
No, 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 yes, no.
Is report the OMR sheet, the answer key. Copies, photocopies of the OMR sheet and the answer sheet have been placed before the court. Court has permitted Mr. Pota examine the text.
Sure.
Matter be listed again on Monday.
Sure. Obliged.
Please, your lordship. Your lordship, last order, your lordship, the affidavit has been filed, your lordship. You can take, mark as tag D, your lordship. Filed on 10th of June, your lordship.
Flag D.
Flag D, your lordship. Page 87, Annex 1, the respondent 5 has received the document. He received the order, but refused to receive the copy of the writ petition.
But see that in terms of the earlier order, right, step by that step, it's the report was taken by copy of the term which put the accompanying affidavit of that you was it listed for hearing?
It was listed for admission hearing, Your Lord. And their lordship has subsequently heard the matter, Your Lord.
For admission after 4 weeks.
As Your Lordship. Much obliged, Your Lordship. Wait, please, Your Lord. My lord. On the basis of the last order, my lord, we have taken justice service and it was served upon the respondent number 6 and one affidavit has been filed. And the office note says that my lord, service is over, my lord, upon all the private respondents. Now, Lordship, one thing, she being the senior most one, this private respondent number 6 is going to retire in the month of September, 30th of September, from the office of the Executive Engineer Mongoldoi, Dolgaon and Sipajar Division, Irrigation Department, Mongoldoi, as the head assistant. Earlier, this
you have taken steps in terms of the order.
Yes, order.
Reported. First, reference the earlier order dated 27/1/25. Taken. This it does. What which respondent?
Respondent number 6, Umesh Chandra Deka.
Is the be accepted.
Yes.
By the same respondent. They get to be completed for admission. For admission.
For admission next week if possible, because my lord.
Right.
Because my lord, one thing, this respondent number 6 is going to retire. He is junior to me, this petitioner, for 10 years. Despite that, he was holding the post of head assistant. He is going to retire in September 30th. So that post as head assistant, this petitioner should get, my lord.
That is, you'll get it only after September 30th.
Yes. September 30th.
That will
Because
be on after 2 weeks, Lord.
after 2 weeks.
2 weeks. That may be kindly fixed.
After 2 weeks.
August 12, 13, my lord, 13th August. Obliged.
13th August.
All right.
Pilot, in the last order, it was reflected that I accepted notice on behalf of 4, 5, and 6. Lordship, it will be only 6, Lordship. 4, 5, they have to take steps, Lordship.
I'll take steps, Lordship.
In terms of the earlier order dated 21/05. Who is Mr. Zedich Kora?
Lordship, he is my new junior, Lordship. He is
Zedich Kora for earlier entered appearance on behalf of Mr. Accepted order 4, 5, and 6.
6. It will be only 6.
Okay, the matter is that we can accept on behalf of the respondent
6.
Such circumstance, the earlier order dated 21/05/75 and Mr. and notices on behalf of respondent 6 will be shown to be accepted by Mr. S.S. Roy. Petitioner will take steps. Respondent 4 and 5 registered for daily as well as reports within 1 week to be listed after 4.
Wait, Lord, contempt petition, Lord, the order is of 28/7/2023. Starts from page 12, Lord. The operative portion, Lord.
Why is it for order?
Yes, Lord, contempt case. The 2 years have been passed, Lordship. The operative portion, Lordship, will find at page 14, Lord.
You have filed your amended court cycle.
Yes.
Has notice been issued?
Yes, Lord. No.
On the newly pleaded respondent, 5 and 6. Who represents 5 and 6?
Thereafter, 7 and 8 has also been included, Lord. And OP was already served before filing of the IL.
Who's 7 and 8?
PCCF and the accountant general.
You'll have to, who did you serve copy? On whom did you serve copy?
PCCF and the respondent number 7 and 8, we have served copies, Lord.
How? By Dusty?
Lordship, before filing of the
Before filing whom, on the persons or on their lawyers?
No, to the person.
You serve copies. Where are the?
Lordship, there was the interlocutory application. Lordship. Dispose of Lordship.
There is no I.
Dispose of them. I-1191 of 2025.
Why the writ petition is also listed today?
But the writ petition, there after the order of this honorable court, they have filed another. The speaking order has been filed by the respondent. So,
Yes, show us where have you served copy?
IA 1191 Annexure 1, Lordship, page 10 and 11.
Next one is the forwarding letter.
Yes, Lord.
You are submitting the certified copy of the order.
And the documents pertaining to contempt case, Lordship, enclosure 2. The petitioner has retired on 31/3/2023. Since today, Lordship, his retirement benefit has not been given to the petitioner.
In terms of the order passed in IA number, in terms of the order dated 23/5/2025, passed by this court. Respondents 7 and 8 were included. The connected contempt in the contempt. Issue notice on 7 and 8 step by return within 1 week. It's not the COVID.
In item number 25, the writ petition. The 2 years have been passed, they have not filed any affidavit. Kindly direct them to file an affidavit.
No, you have connected it to the contempt. The writ petition will come on a different, for a different cause. You're filing a contempt for a different cause. You said you have served copies, but notice has not been issued.
Lordship, for earlier response for.
I'm MS M. Kalita. For 1, 2, 3.
Please, after the you take step first.
Obliged.
It will. There is a contempt matter, okay. There is number 26, Lordship.
26.
26, Lordship, paragraph number 13, Lordship. Termination matter, Lordship. Severe petition was terminated, Lordship. This court allowed to rejoin the matter, Lordship. Then they did not float. And I, the contempt, and they have tried to justice service and service pass is completed, Lordship. In spite of service, they are not
Who is
appearing.
representing here?
PNRE, Lordship, I think department will not appear, Lordship, because it is a contempt matter. Last order, Lordship, may seen, Lordship. One sanction will be given.
Who is for PNRD?
PNRD advocate is there, Lordship. Sudip. Do you win PNRD?
Oh, Nam
No. Nam for contempt. Contempt matter, generally, they are not appearing because
Who is your commissioner now?
Kirti Jalli.
You accept notice on our behalf
Okay.
and file your counter as to why the order has not been complied. Why we did not proceed.
Copy of this contempt petition is.
Yes,
contempt is
give
already.
him a copy.
Good.
When? Can you do it today?
Today I can give. Lordship, before passing that, can I show one document, Lordship?
Yes. So, although notices have been issued, you can't present your full respondent who is of the being in at the request of the court, Sir
A.K. Ghosh.
A.K. Ghosh, who is the standing counsel of the department. He appears on behalf of his own respondent, who is obtained by the instruction from the by fight of the suit. No response forthcoming with regard to the very contained in the order that we article.
Number 2.
They will be served a copy of the writ petition and contempt petition on and for you to receive the course by the after this matter after 4 weeks.
Lordship, for termination, 2 years, Lordship, left, 2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Lordship, whatever, Lordship, kindly see the document, Lordship, I have.
Like 2 weeks.
Lordship, after this judgment, Lordship, they have filed an appeal without making the petitioner, Lordship, contempt as a parties, but this appeal is still defective, Lordship. If that way going on, the institution will suffer, Lordship.
Yes.
Nobody will
2 weeks, we are
care
fixing
the
a date.
judgment of this court, Lordship.
We are fixing a date.
Lordship.
3 weeks may be given if I may prove.
19th August.
Bless.
But you serve him a copy today.
Lordship, that is going on. Nobody will. Lordship, judgment is there. Bless.
May I please, Lord? In this case, my Lord, I am appearing for Resolution 8, and we are filing the affidavit today, my Lord. Okay? Please.
Mr. P. Hazarika, he is not. Sir?
Yes, on.
He appears for Resolution 7.
Right.
And Mr.
F.
F.
For the petitioner.
Counsel appearing for the respondent 8, that you like filing an affidavit
Today, my Lord.
The matter be listed again after.
First week of August, Lordship. Otherwise, the petitioner is 71 years, Lordship. We know any source of income, Lordship.
Be listed.
10 of August.
On a date to be fixed by the
My Lord.
the week beginning from 11.
My Lord. Publish. Publish. Publish about it.
May I have filed this IA for including present Commissioner of Consultant and Rural Development as explained out to in contempt petition. Earlier, my Lord, Shivani was the commissioner.
For implement of?
Commission.
You want to implement?
My Lord, present commissioner of penalty. As number 2.
Treatment of the party so high as who's presently serving as commissioner PNRD respondent. Where may be convicted by the government. During the fact the contempt case number 413 of 4 by the commissioner alleging him to begin the direction contained the order dated 9/4 past 6/7, which directions were by the commissioner by the government. Where may the I stand alone as present as the view of not compliant with the order dated so far with the opposite party so high the necessary part accompanying of the case number 4 Accordingly, the I stands alone and are forced that counted right carried that responsibility. The commissioner will find them with post title within 1 week from the date. IA according to the law of the review of the order dated from past date of the case number IA number 2 MS to IA the rate as the respondent report of the taken within 2 weeks from today. To be listed again after the
My learned is preparing for
don't know. Normally we issue notice. Let them decide.
Here, there was a dispute between the two wives and their after children regarding the pensionary and other retirement benefits of the petitioner or the husband. Now we have resolved in between us, Your Lordship, that we will receive 50% and 50% in between. And an agreement was
Yes, Mr.
Yes, Lordship, it has been done. Respondent number 5 is there, the other wife. So there is some claim between both the wives. So accordingly, it has been resolved that
Who is the first wife? Who is the nominated wife?
the nominator is respondent number 5.
She is nominated.
Respondent number 5.
I was the first one.
You are
I am
the first. And who is for respondent 7?
5, 6, and 7 I am appearing, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. 5 is the wife and 6 and 7 are the daughter, sons.
Agreed to share
Exactly, Lordship. Apportionment equally.
the petitioner, the first wife, or dead. What is the name of your husband?
Roheshwar Das.
Minnesota. But was an employee.
State Bank of India.
Respect who is the wife. Respondent number 8. Who is the second wife?
Respondent number 5, Lordship. Reena Das.
5.
Yes, Lordship.
Claims may be committed by the employee, in the employee. And you have been receiving the pension.
No, Your Honor.
No, Lordship, there is a stay order operating now.
respondent number 5, whose case has been considered by the bank for release of the pension in case of date has been paid. At this stage, the petitioner this court and an interim order issued whereby the release of pension state. In terms of the liberty granted by the court, it has been executed a memorandum of agreement whereby they have not shared pension which will be received by the respondent number 5
Yes, Honorable.
amongst the legal heirs or legal heirs of state points or that, including President. The memorandum is notarized and signed by both parties. And in that view
Clause.
in that view of the matter, the writ petition stands closed. In terms of the settlement, memorandum of agreement is expected this government. The memorandum was executed on which date?
Was dated, your lordship, 25/6, 2020.
Writ petition accordingly stands closed off in terms of business. Sorry. Memorandum.
No agreement.
I
Lordship.
also stand.
Lordship, a direction may be given to release the amount.
Order stands again.
Lordship, a direction may be given to the respondent number 4, Lordship, to release the amount because it's lying since 2020, Lordship.
In view of the settlement arrived at, the bank authority will forthwith release the amount
Within-
in terms of the settlement.
Within a period of 4 weeks, Lordship.
Period of
4 weeks.
4.
Obliged.
Deeply obliged.
May I please, Your Honor? Your Honor, as per office note dated 22/7/25, please completed, Your Honor.
Service completed.
Yes, Your Honor.
As per office note 07/25, service responded created by
Your Honor, there's an interim prayer, Your Honor, may consider, Your Honor.
Let be listed for admission.
Yes.
Okay.
Obliged, Your Honor.
No, please, Your Honor. First, we find last order dated 16/6/2025. Finance, my lord, proposed to file AP report.
Where is finance?
What happened, my lord, during the pendency of this present requisition, my lord, the respondent authorities, my lord, discontinued my service, my lord. And I have challenged that order in another requisition, my lord.
And let
Yes, my lord. That's it.
petitions be connected with Mr. Normal. It is seen that by the earlier order dated 16/6/25, when it was granted by the affidavit. However, in spite of that affidavit, right, of Mr. Verma, the other that he put the court by way of affidavit, take the PPC number
7033
7033 of
2023.
2025.
Hey.
2023.
Challenging the order by which my service has been discontinued.
The order by which service has been. According to both these matters, we can still again after 2 weeks.
Last occasion by order dated 9/6/25 directed to obtain the instruction.
We have received instruction, Lordship. As per our instruction, 5% quota post has already been exhausted due to earlier appointment on compassionate ground of persons who are still in service. And therefore, we have parawise or comment also received, Lordship.
What is 5% quota?
But the DLC Lordship recommendation against the 5% or against 1 post I was recommended Lordship. Now they are saying how they are saying the vacancy are filled up.
Where is the DLC recommendation?
Lordship, page 17 Lordship, DLC dated. It starts from page 16, 17/3/22. My name at serial number 18 Lordship. Litumuni Soikia.
So you have to show that on the date of the DLC, whether the vacancy was there or not.
5% quota has already filled up.
On which day?
On
When was it filled up?
that date not.
That is relevant.
The parawise comment, Lordship, date is not mentioned.
Date not mentioned, Lordship.
DLC or DLC recommendation?
Yes, Lordship, page 17. Page 17, serial number 18 Lordship.
What is the date?
Date is 17/3/22. 17th March.
17. On 17th March, what is the vacancy position?
17 March.
Lordship, once the DLC calculated the vacancy district wise, Lordship, they are the authority to
No,
find out
DLC not calculated district wise.
vacancy position.
DLC recommendation cannot be made out of nothing. You have to have some vacancy district wise.
Yes.
That particular day, what was the vacancy position?
That particular date was not mentioned here. Lordship.
You have to get it instruction. Vacancy position not available after 4 is all right. But on the day when the matter was considered,
yes,
DLC has recommended appointment for one. Whether that post was available on that.
16/12/23. Okay. SLC passed their order on 6/12/23, Lord.
6/12.
This is
rejected
SLC.
on 6/12/23.
Rejected.
6/12.
Yes, Lord.
They said there is no vacancy. Page 19 Lordship. On scrutiny, serial number 1, Lordship, on scrutiny of documents, the applicant was found to be eligible from consideration of family income and otherwise, but there is no vacancy within 5% quota are marked for compassionate appointment under irrigation department. Prior to that, DLC has recommended, and now they are saying there is no vacancy.
Discrepancy you have to check.
Here also I have received one thing is therefore, though there was vacancies in the post of junior assistant and section assistant, those vacancies were beyond the 5% quota and therefore could not be considered for compassionate appointment. That 5% is not for compassionate.
We agree, it's only 5%.
Yes, Lord.
But whether on the day the recommendation by the was it made 5% or beyond 5%? Yes. You have to update instruction that on the day when he had considered what was the vacancy.
Yeah.
Even if my lordship, I have kindly see, I have gotten recommendation to page 18. Page 18 on 26/6/23 vacancy was there. Lordship. Page 18 kindly see for a moment. Page 18 lordship. That is say column number 3 junior assistant grade 3 lordship. Then 4 numbers main and 4 numbers of position and 5% quota is 7 numbers. One is under 5% quota. Last column 1 number. On that day also vacancy was there. Lord. That is 26/6/2023. that is issued by the executive engineer, Lakshmipur Naboisa. Immediately after this DLC Lordship. That's why
Your
my
instructions do not throw any light, you get more clarification.
Yes, Lordship. That should be verified.
Let's be clear.
Yes.
But in terms of the earlier I the council representing the HLC has the price that they would make it for consideration of the claim. Although he was found to be eligible based on consideration of the family, there was no vacancy. The 5% earmarked for protection of the litigation department. There are reading with 16 and the year I do in 73 for grade 3 appointment under the executive which are here of the executive as on 26/6/2023 in the office of executive engineer will have here the three vacancies there was 11 posts shown to be the there were 11 posts available under the near assistant grade 3, out of which 4 posts have already been filled. Therefore, in view of 7 vacant posts being available, 1 post is as such, it seems that from the date of the DLC by 7 till 26 at least, there was 1 vacant to be filled up by the office of the executive which have been put here. The minutes of the asset well, although rejected the claim from that make it with 5% it does not dispute specifically that the recommendation of the DLC by the L of 2020, whereby Commissioner was recommended for a second under grade yes, the second yes, based on incorrect the governor the matter and with the date when the DLC had considered the matter, whether vacancy was available and if so, by the case filled up the SLC term made by the PL. It is instruction made before the court is again
3 weeks.
it is too long Lordship.
22
22
August.
Listen.
Complaints.
May please, your Lordship. My lord, this matter relates to compassionate appointment. This is covered by the order dated 3/4/2025. I have, my lord, placed the order in the file, my lord. Para 10, the last sentence, my lord. It shall only apply to cases that are pending before this court as on 3/4/2025.
Yes, provided they have challenged the OM. Yeah,
My lord, this is pending case.
My lord-
Prior to the, my lord,
my lord-
issuance of the
my lord,
the office, my lord, office.
my lord, I am just going by the order of this honorable court. The what the order is quoted, my lord, I am just quoting that, my lord. Nothing.
My lord, it is, my lord, this order was passed in respect of the series of cases. And that para 10 of the, my lord.
Come to para 2 first line.
Yes, my lord.
Are you challenging this?
But this matter is pending since prior to issuance of office memorandum.
By which paragraph are you reading it? Where,
It
which
is
paragraph?
17/7/2024.
So
And the office memorandum,
which paragraph?
para 10, your lordship may kindly see. Yes, my lord.
Now, can you read para 10 without reading para 2?
That is there, my.
10 now.
Subsequently, during the hearing, my lord, we made this plan. That is why this, my lord, line was included, my lord, because prior to.
My lord, I was the counsel, my lord, for the government, my lord.
It shall only apply to cases that are pending before the judge as on so and so. So this is pending, my lord, including the series, my lord. Regarding, in case of series, my.
You did not challenge the OM. You challenge the OM here.
My lord, I have to challenge now, my lord, because it is pending since prior to, my lord. It is 2024, my lord.
My lord, they have to withdraw and there is deficiency, my lord. SLC is not a party in this case. SLC is also not a party in this case.
Because it has not been placed as yet.
My lord, they are seeking a direction from they are seeking that SLC should.
When is your other matter fixed? The other two matters.
Other two matters on 20th, my lord. 20th.
Over.
Yes, my lord.
We'll also keep this on.
Yes, my lord.
But along with WPC number.
WPC number 3245 2025 and 3538 2020.
One minute.
Matters. Oblige.
Like, yeah.
Lordship, in this matter, I'm appearing, Lordship, for the education department, my lord. The disciplinary proceeding drawn up against the.
What appears for?
I'm for the elementary education, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, may be taken up to lordship.
Lordship, I've got the instruction already. It's dismissed. This thing is over. The disciplinary proceeding. 2 p.m.
Oblige, lordship.
Your lordship, we have received instruction and 3 weeks time required to file affidavit, lordship.
3 weeks.
Yes, lordship.
Lordship, a date may be given.
Your Mr.
D. Deka, Lord.
D. Deka. What?
All respect.
Five. It after 3 weeks.
Oblige.
These two matters are regarding the compassion appointment. My learned friend appears in 36. So what happened, both the SLC and the DLC had recommended prior to the notification. And on 6/1/2025, this on this particular case, item number 37, directed that the finance department should reconsider the matter and submit a accord approval, because the matter is not covered by that office memorandum. But they've been taking time on one pretext or other, saying it's before one department or the other. Therefore, my learned friend was asked to instruct the application.
We have received the same state of affairs instruction, my lord. Now, there is a recommendation by the SLC, my lord, prior to coming into force of that September 2024 notification. Now, evidently, my lord, by dint of approval of the SLC, petitioners may have a clear-cut case, number one. But the difficulty here is that, my lord, after recommendation of SLC, there has to be an approval from the intra-departments. There are two departments are involved here, my lord. The number one, my lord, personnel department, and the second is judicial department. So their approvals are required for finally giving the financial approval by the finance department. Therein where, my lord, the matter is stuck up and placing the updated instructions, my lord.
It's a matter of compassionate appointment, and
No, I can
the state
understand.
then takes a stand, that because of the delay, they are not entitled to be appointed. Totally ironically, this is the stand they take, and the delay is on their part,
My lord, so far as WPC 5293 is concerned, Nandita does. In respect to that instruction, Lordship will kindly find, my lord, therein that, my lord, the government is at the verge of taking out a SOP for treating this kind of matters, my lord. That prior to coming into force of the September 2024 notification, what would be the fate of, my lord, these matters? Because not only these writ petitioners, there are other persons also who are similarly situated. So they have to be given, my lord, the relief.
6/1/2025 order is very clear, It says, there is nothing doing with that office memorandum,
It is true.
Page 3, page 3, and an outer limit was fixed to the finance department, Page 3, the last but 4 paragraph, it is to be noted that the office memorandum is dated so-and-so with prospective effect. In the case of the petition having already been recommended with SLC in its meeting dated so-and-so, and the said office memorandum dated so-and-so is considered view of this court, would have no application to the case of the petitioner herein. Thereafter, my lord, last but one paragraph, necessary approval in the matter be granted to the finance department within an outer limit of 2 weeks from today. That was a special order, madam.
That is the order we readily bow down, but the order thereafter, my lord, 29th of January 25. Lordship will kindly see 29th of January 25. Therein, my lord, the matter took a turn and the government was directed to file an affidavit. Then thereafter, my lord, order dated 3rd of March.
You say the matter took a turn.
No, my lord, matter
permitting you to file affidavit at your request.
No, my lord, it is true, but my lord,
the earlier order remains.
Absolutely correct. But Lordship will kindly appreciate that we, the finance department, is only the nodal department. We are not the employer here. So therefore, we will be at the last stage of the chain. So prior to that, my lord.
Maybe if you want to file, you file. We are not forcing you to file.
So, my lord, affidavit, my lord, since we are not disputing on merits, my lord, that is the difficulty. Lordship will kindly consider. On merits, we have never, my lord, made any resistance.
Notices have been issued here, no.
Notices have been issued, my lord, by order dated 6/11/2024. And thereafter.
Who is the nodal department here? Who is the department?
The administrative department, my lord, in the case of.
Who issued the notification? 18/9?
89 personnel. Personnel.
Who is for the personal department?
Lordship, I am appearing, Lordship.
What do you say?
Lordship, yesterday I have been communicated because on last occasion when your Lord, it was asked me to get the instruction, Lordship. So they have stated that initially when the matter was placed before them, they given the no objection, Lordship. Later on, this has been re-endorsed to them, Lordship. So the department, the main department, Lordship, the Food and Civil Supplies Consumer Affairs, they have re-endorsed the file to the department, and the department is actually working on an SOP, Lordship, which is under process, Lord. They have given us the file number also to track this.
How long is it going to take?
They have not, we have to track, Lordship.
Well, learned friend said NOC was given earlier. if the NOC was given earlier, my lord, just because it has been reverted back to the department once again, there is a question of, my lord, the SOP here.
We will give you 2 weeks time, you update
Lordship,
that what is the
Will.
status of these SOP.
Lordship,
Admittedly, we are not resisting both these petitions on merit. SLC has taken a final decision and it is prior to coming into effect of law. So I am left with no legal argument to resist this. But so far as my lord, this administrative my lord exigencies are concerned, my lord, Lordship will kindly appreciate to that action.
No, you were saying that after SOP it requires who the
After SLC, it requires the approval of the administrative department concerned. That is, in Mantu Bayan's case, it is the revenue department, and in Nandidada's case, it is the food and civil supplies department. That apart, my lord, the approval of personnel department is also required. Administrative department, personnel department will be common thread in both matters, my lord. Finally, it will boil down to finance department.
let us
So
have
that is the difficulty.
immediate web or guidelines or whatever.
Lord.
Yeah. Where it has by take them have not been taken as such a method prior to the after coming or after coming or before coming.
Which the resolutions, my lord?
No, the resolution of the
It was prior, my lord.
Prior, my lord.
Much prior.
So that embargo will not come in way.
letter before resolution of the SOP. Give us the method that for finance for personal department. Governor Kapil said there is an SOP and the preparation like step in respect of the decision of the government or consideration of the health how to right for each time.
May I prefer date? Obliged. Deeply obliged, Lordship.
So obliged.
Yeah.
Lordship, in this matter, we have to find affidavit. Some time may be granted for affidavit.
It's a take more than an additional rating for the offer.
1 to 4, you know.
Rate for
1 to 4.
how much time?
So Lordship, the 4 weeks time.
4 weeks. The hearing.
May I pray for a date sometime in September or August, end of August.
Let them file the affidavit. Why are you praying a date today?
Where the petitioner is serving as an assistant conservator of forest, Lordship has page 17 of the writ petition. I'm sorry, page 18. I was senior to, I'm at serial number 41. Ravin Kumar Boishya, and I was senior in the post of ranger to Sri Uttamananda Goswami Kamrup. I faced a disciplinary proceeding which at page 20, Lordship would find by 9th of April 2024, I was exonerated. The last paragraph, Lordship would find. Now, therefore, the Governor of Assam is pleased to exonerate. On page 22, Lordship would find that I was given a promotion from the post of forest ranger to the post of assistant conservator of forest with retrospective seniority since I was exonerated. Then Lordship would find at page 23, serial number 18, the person Uttamananda Goswami, by order dated 22nd of February 2024, was already promoted by then to the post of DCF, that is a Deputy Conservator of Forest. Then Lordship would find at page 25, I made my applications, and yes, at page 30, my promotion to the post of ACF, I was given my consequent seniority over Uttamananda Goswami, the then ACF, now DCF. As matters to, thus I made a representation that my promotion to the post of DCF should be considered and I should be given my due seniority over Uttamananda Goswami if I am found fit. To that effect, at page 31, they convened a DPC. Subject is selection committee meeting for promotion of the officer to the rank of Deputy Conservator of Forest from the rank of ACF under so-and-so. With reference to the services cited above, I am delighted to inform you the selection committee meeting for promotion to the rank of Deputy Conservator and so-and-so is scheduled to be held on P125 at so-and-so. Please make it convenient to attend accordingly. Since then, nothing has come up. My lord, yes, the post of DCL.
Let me have some instruction, madam, because there was an indication in the petition that there was some kind of DPC convent, but it was not held maybe due to some reasons. Let me have some instruction at least after 10 days.
Process undertaken for convening the DPC post of conservator of forest. No steps have been taken. So petitioner is presently serving as deputy conservator of forest. The entire rank of district conservator.
Deputy Conservator.
Huh?
Deputy Conservator.
You are serving as what?
I am serving as Assistant Conservator. ACF to DCF.
Oh, ACF to DCF. ACF to Mr. T. Go ahead and study for it. That you like to obtain whether it help or for the paper and apprise the court. Take date fixed. Get the message on. Well, that's right. Within the course of the day.
Eight please, Lordship. In this matter, the disciplinary proceeding has been concluded, my lord. I have got the up-to-date instructions, my lord. He has been dismissed. Service.
So,
my lord, the matter is in practice now.
what is your prayer?
My lord, now, my lord, as this particular order has been passed, my lord, I may be, the respondent may be directed to serve a copy to me. And this matter may be closed, my lord, because matter related to suspension. Lord, I may be allowed liberty to assail this particular.
Yes, fresh cause of action.
Fresh
and,
cause of action.
And my lord, already it has been served upon the petitioner, my lord. It's page serial number 17, man.
We have not still received, my lord, so a copy may be served.
Petitioner has approached this court. Your challenge was to what?
Was to, my lord, instate my suspension.
But you had also challenged the disciplinary proceeding.
Disciplinary proceeding as, but my lord, this is a fresh cause of action. But
I don't know, your prayer says, prayer A, what is this? Disciplinary proceeding initiated against the petitioner. Page number 14. Prayer A.
yes, there's a directed responsibilities to cancel legal orders for way of repair to the departmental proceeding. We have challenged that also.
Yes.
My lord, copy may be served, I'll take it back.
You want to close this petition?
Because my lord, otherwise it is for only reinstatement.
The
Basically,
petitioner has approached this court.
I may be allowed liberty, man.
Taking orders from the court, reinstate the petitioner pursuant to his suspension by the order. Petitioner also questioned the disciplinary proceedings initiated against him. On instructions obtained by the council.
For the elementary education.
Elementary education. Why this matter was here, elementary? You are employed where?
To the inspector, I was inspector of schools, my lord.
Deputy inspector.
Deputy inspector.
Mr. Pukan submits that by order dated 22/7/2025, the disciplinary proceedings have been concluded and the disciplinary authority was pleased to impose the penalty of dismissal from service, which shall ordinarily be a disqualification for future employment under Rules 7 within bracket Roman 7 of the Assam Services Discipline and Appeal Rules 1964 upon the petitioner was serving as Deputy Inspector of Schools 1. So, in that view of the matter, the petitioner does not wish to press the petition any further. He seeks liberty to approach the court to challenge the order of dismissal. On the such prayer made, the petition stands dismissed and not pressed with liberty.
My lord, the departmental proceeding.
Orders, if any, stand vacated.
My lord, departmental proceeding has a liberty to challenge.
We have given you liberty.
Lordship, I'm appearing for response number 4, Lord.
Mr. A. Pukan for elementary.
Elementary 1, 2, 3, and 5.
1, 2, 3, and 5. Mr. Sharma for
For response 4.
Deeply applied.
Obligement.
For the last order, Lordship, the Contempt General is supposed to appraise this court about this.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship. As per our instruction, Lordship, we have received the pension case, but we have again returned back to the irrigation department with
Why?
for this letter.
Why?
Lordship, kindly
Why
peruse
have you
this letter.
returned it back?
Yes, Lordship, kindly peruse this letter.
You tell us why you want us to peruse.
Because Lordship, it has been observed that a pay fixation with effect from 1/7/2019 as recorded in the service book is not in order. The correct pay on 1/7.
The basis of instruction received, standing counsel for accountant general submits that the pension proposal petitioner has been returned back to the administrative department, namely Department of Irrigation. Raising certain queries with regard to pay fixation
Pay fixation and regarding nominations.
and as well as nomination in the nomination for pension. This
As well as no documentary evidence has been provided regarding details of her husband.
these queries were raised by communication dated.
Lordship, it is
Date is not here.
not dated, undated.
Undated communication.
No.
Now, Lordship, yes, I have received it through WhatsApp.
Has it been sent or not? Has this letter been issued or not?
The letter has issued, but the date is not here in this communication.
What is the basis of this letter?
But as per our instruction, they have sent it.
Mr. N. Upadhyay, counsel.
They have returned it on 8/7/25.
Submits that he would like to complete it. Placed again after 2 weeks.
Lordship, she is very much under distress, Lordship. She has a flat at Chilpukli, Lordship, that has been already taken possession by
Lordship,
Maharashtra Bell.
let's see, visit the office of the chief engineer of Lordship to clarify all these things, Lordship.
Lordship, in the meantime, till then, Lordship.
You furnish a copy to the petitioner's counsel right now. The petitioner is also given liberty to furnish the clarification sought for by the accountant general's office by placing them before the office of the chief engineer, if so advised.
Yeah.
Is on 11.
11th of August.
11. Obliged, Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? Here, Lordship, we have received the instructions, Lordship. We require some time to file our affidavit, Lordship.
Yes. Any objection?
No, no, Your Lordship.
Miss U. Sharma, learned counsel, hearing for the state.
State, Lordship.
Of which the instructions have been received and we would like to file affidavit in the matter. MS so appears for the list after 3 weeks.
Okay. 41, Lordship, we have received instructions, Lordship. Here, Lordship, the petitioner was promoted as Inspector of Police, AB, by memo so-and-so dated 24/10/2018. This is the date of his promotion, Lordship, to the post of Inspector of Police, AB, and he joined at Baksa DF on 30/10/2018. Lordship, here the issue is the wrong date of promotion as
New
25/10/2019 instead of 24/10/2018.
Yes,
As per our instruction, Lordship, his date of promotion is in fact 24/10/2018, Lordship.
That is his date of promotion.
Yes, Lordship.
And when was he supposed to be promoted?
He was supposed to be promoted on 24
My lord,
2018
his
only.
correct
Lordship.
date of promotion is 24/10/2018 only. But SP
It was wrongly recorded as 25/10/2019.
19, due to which in all the subsequent gradation lists, he was not promoted. His contemporaries.
The correct.
Lordship, this is my instruction
My
received
lord,
from the
S-
Superintendent of Police, Baksa, Lordship.
My lord, SP Udalguri made the wrong submission first, and then he also issued a corrigendum. My lord, my lord may kindly peruse page number 30, 29 and 30, annexure 4.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. My lord, SP Udalguri submitted the information of the petitioner, and in page number 30, he wrongly recorded as the date of joining as 25/10/2019. In page number 30. Date of joining is 25/10/2019, which has been wrongly recorded. Then my lord may kindly peruse the next page, page number 31, which is annexure 5. Here a corrigendum has been issued by Superintendent of Police Udalguri, where in the second paragraph, it has been stated, my lord, the last line, his date of joining may kindly be read as 30/10/2018 instead of 25/10/2019.
Okay, then.
Our contention is the same, my lord, that we were promoted on 24/10/2018. We joined as
This clarification has come.
Yes, my lord, but after that, subsequently, in all the gradation lists.
Who has prepared the gradation list?
My lord, may kindly give me 1 minute.
by the same authority.
No, my lord, they are
Deputy
prepared
Inspector
by-
General of Police.
Yes, my lord. Inspector General of Police, Deputy Inspector General of Police, many gradation lists have come. My lord, now the final gradation list may come at any moment. The petitioner also preferred representations. However, a correction has not been done. Now, if the final gradation list comes with the wrong date, he will again not be promoted, whereas his colleagues have been promoted to APS junior grade.
To whom is the direction to be issued?
To whom is the direction to be?
My lord, Inspector General of Police, my lord.
Inspector General of Police admin.
Yes, my lord.
Um, are you filing anything, or you want us a?
No, Lordship, if this may be disposed of, if that is the instruction, Lordship, that his actual date of promotion was 24/10/2018, in fact, Lordship.
They heard. Petitioner is agreed that his date of joining as inspector in bracket AP was wrongly recorded as 25/10/2019 in the provisional gradation list, and his actual date of joining is 30/10/2008. In all the provisional gradation lists that was published by the authority department, his date of joining as inspector AP was shown as 25/10/2019 instead of 30/10/2008. So, the petitioner filed and said, yeah, it to the authority concerned. However, the said correction was not given effect. So, it is the submission of the council that the final gradation list is likely to be published at any on a short date, and if his date of joining is not corrected, then he will be deprived of his rights. He will be deprived of his service benefits that will accrue to him, or that would have accrued to him. That will accrue to him by virtue of his date of joining on 30/10/2000. In view, the government council was permitted to obtain instructions in terms of the earlier order. You, Sharma, government advocate.
Lordship, one more submission, Lordship. Only on transfer from Baksa to Udalguri, which was on 17/10/2019, he joined at Udalguri DEF on this particular date, 25/10/2019, on transfer. But he was promoted to the post of Inspector of Police on 24/10/2018 only, Lordship.
Submits or instructed that the correct date of the promotion, the petitioner is 30/10.
24/10/2018.
Huh?
Promotion is 24/10/2018, my lord.
24. It is promotion, not
Promotion.
appointment.
My lord, what happened in the case is that because, my lord, my date of joining was recorded in a wrong manner, that is why in the subsequent list, my lord, my my contemporaries, my lord, who were promoted along with me in the post of Inspector AB, they had climbed to the rank of APS, the next rank, my lord, but whereas I am still in the rank of Inspector AB.
We are asking you, the Inspector AB is a promotional post? Or
Yes, my lord.
By direct recruit?
No, the promotional post.
Promotion.
Yes.
What appointment where the correct date of promotion to the post of Inspector AB is 3010. There are having heard counsel for the party and taking into consideration by basis of instruction that the as per the department record, the date of promotion of Inspector AB is 3010/2018. Therefore, necessary step be taken by the concerned respondent authority, namely Respondent 4, the Inspector General of Police admit who will make the necessary correction in the litigation case, showing the date of promotion to the petitioner, the post of Inspector AP within as 3010/2018 as of 2510/2019.
24. 24/10/2018.
It is written here 25.
Well, correct is 24/10/2018 promotion.
24/10. Accordingly, all steps be taken by the respondent authority to incorporate this correction. The provisional as well as the final study. If feedback. It will be closed off. Instructions be given.
My lord, may I
Copy of
make,
the instructions. Yes.
my lord, may I make one small prayer, my lord? My lord, this exercise may kindly be carried out in a time-bound manner if it pleases. Because otherwise, final gradation list will.
Let this exercise be carried out within a period of 3 weeks from today. Pursuant to which the final prediction will be published, if not already published. In the event the final prediction is published, then necessary correction shall be incorporated accordingly. This book.
I am deeply obliged, man.
May it please your lordship that
Yes.
they have filed one additional affidavit, my lord. They have filed one additional affidavit, my lord, wherein them what steps they have taken after reply to the job. I have submitted reply to that, my lord. That is on record. Lord,
What is your prayer?
my lord,
Lordship, this is the raiding entry case, Lordship. That one.
We'll keep it for next week. There is one judgment in the pipeline.
One already, same line on this Ijol bench, Kohima bench is also there, Lord.
Is it
Yes.
there?
Yes, same issue. That is Niki. That is. Oh, ঠিক আছে।
No, there is another one in the pipeline. You
Lord.
have to wait next week. Matter be listed on. We'll have it on 30
Lord.
or on 7. Be on the safe side. 7 August. It's on 7.
Obliged. May please, Your Lordship. I have received the instruction, my lord. When the come on Thursday, my lord.
Thursday.
Yes, Tuesday or Thursday, my lord. Anything.
You want to file in it?
No, I don't want to file, my lord. I have received the record, my lord. Call the record, my lord.
This is called
Call for, my lord, examination. That is the merit list of the candidate, my lord. Recruitment test.
yes. Records have been stated by the received. On 5th?
Fifth. No, not fifth, my lord. Any date other than fifth, my lord. Fifth, okay, my lord. Fifth is okay, my lord. Yes. Must have no.
Obliged.
Lordship. Yes, record received, Lordship, here in this case, Lordship.
Last order letter, there's 24/6/2025.
Yes.
What does it say?
Lordship, the voluminous, it is, Lordship, the memorandum is here, Lordship. The memorandum of the cabinet decision is here, and subsequent, Lordship, the new acts are also enclosed with this record, Lordship. Lordship, here in this case, Lordship, Learned Additional Advocate General will appear, Lordship. The P. Nayak will appear. Kindly fix the matter in the next week, any date, Lordship. Additional Advocate.
Yes, Mr. Rao.
If only my consideration is case is pending from 19.
Right, 29. 29 July.
Lordship. Lordship. Lordship.
Maybe.
Wait, please, your lordship. On the last occasion, your lordship has passed an order directing them to bring on record certain procedure, whether they have followed it or not, while discharging the petition. They filed the affidavit today, have gone through it. Nothing is there, your lordship. Same thing they have repeated again, saying that there was a direction to disengage me, therefore they have been dismissed. The same thing, your lordship, the affidavit that was filed. No procedure, nothing has been given in the affidavit that is filed today.
Today?
Yes, they have
It is
filed
not
it.
here.
Today I have received it.
Today it has come.
You have filed.
My lord.
It is not here.
Lordship may fix it then next week, and then and also call for the record.
List on 30. 30.
Lordship may call for the affidavit.
Submit. As it is submitted that an affidavit has been filed by
respondent number 5, my.
respondent 5 today. From registry, we will trace out the affidavit, it is to have been filed and connect it to the case record by the next evening.
My lord, my name may be recorded.
Mr.
Jay Lashkar.
J. Loskar appears for respondent 5.
1 to 4 on behalf of P.S. Bhattacharya.
MS Suento appears on behalf of Mr. P.S. Bhattacharya for respondent 1.
Right.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1 to
Obliged.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, on 25/6/2025, your lordship, there was this order, whether that order has been communicated or not, your lordship. And perhaps, your lordship, this matter has come up today, your lordship. Your lordship, there is an urgency, your lordship, as I'm retiring on 31st of July, your lordship. The matter was last listed on your lordship.
Who is for
15/7.
your respondent? Where is the Forest Council?
Yes, your lordship, I have informed them, but perhaps they are on legs, your lordship. The only one issue is that whether the communication of the review order has been done, your lordship, or not.
In the absence of the other side,
Your lordship may take it up after some time, your lordship. I'll try to
all right,
place them.
Forest Council.
Yes, your lordship. Much obliged, your lordship.
In item 54, my lord, they have filed some application for modification of the early interim order, my lord. We have not filed an affidavit. So for 54 others, my lord, we filed affidavit yesterday, my lord. But it is not on record, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship, as I submitted on last occasion, because it requires to be heard very urgently, Lordship, and they have withdrawn the appeal filed before the division bench, Lordship. As the court wanted to reject this writ petition also and wanted to pass the order, subsequently they withdrawn the appeal, Lordship.
That's my junior has done.
You filed the affidavit today.
Yesterday, madam.
Yesterday.
Then day after tomorrow, Lordship. Lordship, this is then the stay vacating has to be heard, Lordship.
No, that we keep it on Monday or
Monday, my lord, maybe second half, my lord.
I have no problem.
Or
If it is,
Tuesday.
it is on Monday, second half, I have no
Tuesday,
problem,
Tuesday or
Lordship.
better, my lord, hearing day.
Hearing day.
Hearing day. Hello.
Then I request, Lordship, this should be in the top of the list, Lordship. I pray.
You mentioned it. Take up the matter. We'll list it on Tuesday.
Yes.
You have the liberty to make a mention for
Lordship.
her. That have filed their affidavit yesterday. Additional
No, everything reply, my lord.
reply, rejoinder. Same is not happening in the case report. The attorney government advocate on the other hand submits that the matter requires urgently be heard and therefore the relief petition filed taken up.
Lordship.
Have you filed any objections?
No, we shall file, my lord.
Then on the Lordship next day, they will again pray,
No,
Lordship.
no, I
it says.
No. Any notices issued on that?
No. No notice has been.
Right, we take it on the understanding because if we take up the writ petition, then this becomes redundant.
Yes, Lordship.
Let the IA along with the writ petition be extended admission hearing on 9th.
29.
The petitioners are at liberty to file their objections before that in the IA.
Well,
please record.
Deeply obliged, Lord.
Wait, Lordship, can you take the meter after some time? I'll call you.
Some other day.
The non-payment of Lordship, my senior is there, Lordship. After some time.
All right, we'll see after some time.
The reply has been filed against the opposition. The reply has been filed against the opposition filed by the respondent. Perhaps that is not on record, Lord.
Right, Mr.
K. Jain.
K. Jain, counsel for the submits that reply. Rejoinder affidavit has been filed. The affidavit filed with the department. However, is not connected. Yes. Let the matter be listed next week. 30. 30.
I'm appearing for the respondent number 2 and 3, Lordship, on behalf of Mr. A. Sharma, Lord.
Or on 6th of August.
Lordship, may I pray for in the last week of August?
Last week of August.
Lordship, on 29th.
29.
Lordship.
No problem.
As agreed to by both parties, this is the matter again on 20th.
Much obliged.
Hello.
If you were a government advocate, I think Mr. Who is not there. Otherwise, let it come next week, my lord. It was supposed to be taken up. Yeah. Finance. Gogo 9. Gogo is not there.
But prayer for adjournment is for behalf of Mr. Gogoi, that around that.
Next week, man.
30. 30. Done. It is for the radio.
Problem. Okay. Try one problem. Yeah, outside.
Hearing this instant matter, your lordship, I was placed on the suspension with effect from 26/2024, issued by suspension order dated 1/7/2024, your honor.
There was a direction by this honorable court that whether he was communicated or not. Well, I have sought some instruction from them, but it has not come in written. I'm finding difficult to concede, my lord. Otherwise, our section of officers says his controlling officer says he was communicated, but the higher authority says we have to look into. That is the dilemma I face. Lordship can take it up tomorrow as a first item. At least I can get a convincing reply.
On the request made by the council with Forest. Considering the fact that the meeting was 30%, let the matter be listed.
Tomorrow.
Your lordship, as the first item, your lordship.
So it
Not
will
the
be
first
listed,
item.
it is listed tomorrow.
Yes, your lordship.
If you think it needs to be taken up, you make a mention, we'll see. But we can't say that it has to be listed first time.
Yes, sir.
Why first item?
Your lordship, at the end of the day, your lordship, I'm retiring on 31st of July, your lordship. Now the issue is that that whole issuance of the setting aside of the suspension order, even if the production of that certified copy of this honorable court, the file has to move from one bench to the other bench, your lordship.
That is for the.
And your lordship, on 2 occasions, your lordship, they have sought the same instruction. Their same stand has been recorded, your lordship. Now the the matter has been fixed, your lordship.
No. We are asking you the significance of having it listed as a first time.
Yes, your lordship.
We are listing it tomorrow.
Yes, your lordship, then.
We listed tomorrow.
Yes.
All right.
Much obliged, your
Please
lordship.
get your instructions.
I'll get
Otherwise,
the instruction.
we will be compelled to pass orders.
My lord.
Yes, sir.